wig trolling, rolling.
This is young boy never broke again until he doesn't pay his taxes. I remember. You winning or nah, bro?
A little bit. I'm tied for first. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are we rolling, Doug?
Rolling.
Ow.
Thank you, sir.
No, that was just my hand. I'll play the bar chords. Let's play these bar chords. Make my hand hurt, bro. Fuck. We're gonna start with a C major.
We're gonna start with that airplane flying through.
Start with the fucking disrespect. That's a throwback. Bang, bang. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll beat your face into a bowl of mashed potatoes. That shit is hard. This is not for beginners. I'm lying about that. This is not a beginner song.
Rolling.
Tight as fuck. Juice roll not enough. Super dab, chop myself in the neck. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll suck a fart out of your grandma's butthole.
Give me that gas, Grandma.
I've already got the fucking... We're on the first song and I've got the giggles. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. My brain just fucking glitched out. Now, I'm gonna be totally honest, I don't know if this is right. Do you hear that?
Yes.
I have moisturizer on my hands, and I hate the way that that feels.
But you need it.
Yeah, so I don't look fucking old and decrepit and my skin cracking off of my fucking body.
That's what my dick looks like.
And now my hands are sweating. Subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double hobo punch your pancreas out of your body. That one just came flying out.
What's a hobo punch?
I don't know. A bum punch? Bum punch. Double bum. Rumple pum bum. Okay. It's fucking Christmas. Okay, guys, this song is in standard tuning and... Oh, no, it's not. I'm a liar. I'm lying to y'all. I'm a fucking liar. Okay, guys, this song is in standard half step down. Why is this the struggle? Why is this the struggle? This is the easy. This is the easiest part of the video. All I have to do is say the right thing.
I like when you threw the second favorite pet rock in the lake.
Well, everyone knows we have our first favorite pet rock, and we have our second favorite pet rock. And then if you're lucky, you have a third favorite pet rock. Right? Isn't that everybody?
You're mine.
Notification bell, or else I'll drop kick your grandma off a skyscraper into the universe. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I would rather do your mom in the backseat of your car. You're... I don't even own a pistol.
Where are they? That they're getting hors d'oeuvres.
While getting pistol whipped. Somebody brought a pistol to my hors d'oeuvre party.
This is a fancy hors d'oeuvre party.
I hate it. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I will double somersault fuckface your grandma on the fucking shits.
That was good.
No, it wasn't.
That's why it was good.
Oh my god. I got them quick lips today. Tip of the tongue, teeth, and the lips.
That's a new one.
Yeah, well, it sounded like someone was throwing wet laundry around. In a pool. And perfect timing.
Tapped it out.
I love how it just turned into.
Yeah, that's I remember.
Oh, this one's nowhere.
Nowhere.
Oh, I'm a dumb idiot. Fuck. At least that's my name on Twitter. Shultz music, bringing you the world. Oh, yeah. Ding ding. Power to your motherfucking mans, big dogs. We did it! Yay! Everybody say yay! Yay! We're praying. What is that? We're praying to the conch or whatever that. Is that what they do? Cool, we're done. Fuck them. I'm over it. Wait, what is this?